Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm here for an elevator modernization. I'm in the process of running some 3 quarter inch aluminum rigid here on the roof. You can see I got the boots here, the door blocks right here with the unistruts. Okay, now the reason why I put a T here, it just makes it a little easier. That way we don't have to do a lot of penetrations except for the HVAC guys. So there's going to be a disconnect for the indoor blower. This is the wire for the indoor blower. Most likely it's just going to be like a 12 gauge or 14 gauge wire. Most likely 12 gauge. So we're going to run 2 hot to neutral here, or possibly just a single phase hot and neutral to the switch, the disconnect. We haven't got the specs yet for the AC unit. And then I'm going to have to knock out from here. I'm going to bring in the load side of this disconnect. The load side with 3/4 inch liquid seal tight to the unit to power the unit up, and this is to control. This is going back to the indoor blower, which we're going to run the wire through here. Number 10, there's going to be 2 hots, a neutral and a ground. We're going to run, I guess, if it's either going to be 14 gauge wire or 12 gauge stranded, we're going to run it here, pass up through, boom, 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 right into that LB. And then, do this quick before I run out of memory. There's a disconnect. There's going to be a switch here, and the AC indoor blower unit is going to be sitting right here, right where the equipment for the elevator is going to be. So this is the existing, and we got our disconnect for the elevator, and we have a switch for lighting and a GFCI. As you can see, we already prepped it up. We wrapped up the wire. It's live, so luckily enough we have it safed off on the other end. And how we're going to do this is basically we're going to run EMT, another junction box. It's going to tee off. There's going to be a light sitting right here, right above the door. We're going to mount it, wire it up. From the splice box, we're going to 90 over, straight over, and up against that brick wall. We're going to put another light right there. So now they have enough illumination coming to the motor, into the gears, into the new panel. I guess they're going to swap this out, and they're going to have lighting beaming down here as well. So, yep, that's my day so far.